to show you guys how to upload avatars, specifically my avatars, just in case anybody needed a little help or a little guidance as to how to do so. So first thing you're going to do whenever you get an avatar, you'll usually receive some sort of upload instructions or details about what your project will need. For me, what you're going to need in your creator companion, which if you're in normal Unity, first of all, I recommend getting the creator companion. It's just very helpful for VRChat, but if you don't have it, instead of having this little repository, you'll just open the project in your respective Unity version. I am using currently 2022.3.22 F1. And you're just going to open a project and then drag and drop these in. All right. So you'll need the most up-to-date version of the SDK. I am currently using the 3.10.1. I know that VRChat depreciated everything before 3.9, so you're probably not going to be able to upload anything in an earlier version. I recommend just updating it to your most recent, okay? You're also going to need VRC Fury, as I usually use prefabs that require VRC Fury. You're gonna need the most up-to-date Poyomi Toon shader. This specific avatar is using 9.3.63. If you plan on uploading the Quest version, you'll need Quest tools, and then finally, if you are using face tracking, you will need the Jerry's templates VRC face tracking. Honestly, for the rest of these, just if there's an update, I just recommend keeping everything up to date, just in case. That way you're not missing out on anything. And then after that, you can come up here and you can open the project. Alrighty, so once you have your project open, give Unity a lot bit of time to open itself up. If there's anything that isn't in your repository, add it now, just like you would in regular Unity. Any extra shaders or whatnot, but in my case, I don't need anything extra added than what was already in my repository. So now you're gonna take from your folder, which I have a folder off screen on a different monitor, your download, you are going to take a Unity file. Let me actually show you. It's gonna usually look like this, literally the Unity logo, and you are gonna drag and drop it in. After a few seconds, there should be a little menu that pops up here. Just make sure everything looks good, and we're just going to import, and this is going to take a bit. Okay. After you import stuff, you should get a couple folders. Depending on the creator, you might have to go through these. Mine, you just find the name of the avatar, and you'll see something that says Open Me, or the name of the avatar, or whatever. You are going to take that and drag it, drop it over here in the hierarchy, like so. And whenever you when you make a brand new project, you'll have this default one. You can come in here and remove it if you don't want it there. I have a cool skybox, so. Alright. So at this point, I do have multiple skin tones just to save space. So what you'll do is you will pick whatever skin tone you want. If it doesn't have different models like this, then you'll just pick, the avatar that you want. You'll come up here to the SDK and sign in to the SDK. And go ahead and pick whichever version you want. It is trying to upload it to an avatar I already have because I forgot to clear the blueprint. So you might need to do that. You just come to Pipeline Manager, Detach, and then enter the name. I do include a image in here for you guys to use as the icon. Oops. So you can save that to your computer, come here and put that in here, or if you wanted to, you can just capture the scene. They have this cool feature now where you can fill the background, whatever color. I don't know why I didn't do it that time. But either way works. Make sure you have a name. You don't have to do this, however, it is nice to put the name of the creator in here. Oh, good lord. And then you will just click build and publish. After this is done publishing to your account, I do have a quest folder that has a quest scene. So you can, same thing, drag and drop. If you want to remove this, you can, so it's out of the way. And then what you will do is you'll come up to the SDK, go to your content manager, and find the upload you just did, copy the ID, right? And then you will come to the model, the quest version, go down to that pipeline manager I was telling you about, detach it if anything is there, click this, paste and attach. So now, whenever you pull it up, it will attach to the model. Select Android, so that way it goes to Android. It is going to take a while because it is Unity. And then after that, honestly, you just upload it just the same way. And that's honestly how you upload my avatars. That's pretty much works for almost every creator. Like I said, you know, some people set up their folders differently, some people set up their actual models differently, but it's pretty much practically the same. If you are still struggling to upload any of my models, I do offer free uploads in my server. Just open a ticket and we can get that done for you.